Guys, how we doing? It's Steve here from Steve's RC Shop and RC Winches in Leicester. Just another quick video for today. I just want to show you a product that we are doing. It's not a new thing. They are readily available out there from various different companies. But what we've tried to do is incorporate something and just improve it slightly. So UBC or BEC, UBEC, SBEC, they're all pretty much the same thing. You can get ones off eBay for like about 10p. You'll probably find that for that price they're quite unreliable, but you know, even if you spend it, I mean, you can get them as cheap in reality for like £2, £3. Kind of depends on what load you're putting on them, but a lot of them that you get, these ones are quite good actually, but they're quite a big thing. Fairly compact, but you know, that's what you get. The advantage of one of these is, and with quite a few of the others, is you do actually get a set of jumper pins on, so you can set it yourself for either 5 volts, 6 volts, or normally 7.4, depending on which one you get. And they do vary in price. You can get some really expensive ones. So the prime drive for this to do is basically you'll put voltage in one end, say from a 2S LiPo, 3S LiPo, 4S LiPo, depending on the actual individual unit, and on the other end of it, okay, it will give out obviously a lower voltage which is regulated. So what we've done is we've now done these. Okay, so you've got a tiny little blue box. These boxes are 100% waterproof and you get a 2-year warranty. This is just a sample one to show you. The input lead is JST male and the output, input lead is JST female, output lead is JST male, but we can do these with different plugs. We could do it with 1 output, 2 output, and we can do different length as well. So if you wanted shorter leads or even longer leads, that's not a problem. And we do these in a few different options. So we do a standard 5 volt one, 6 volt one, 7.4, but we can also do pretty much any voltage you want, as long as the input voltage is higher than the expected output voltage. So these here, you can plug in anything from a 2S battery right up to 8S. So input voltage on these is not a problem, and they will give you a constant supply at 5 amps as well. So if you've got a lot of lighting on there, which is gonna, you know, for a remote control car, to be honest, 5 amps is a lot. So I'm just going to give you, it's really difficult obviously when it's on video and you've got lights on in the background, so I'm just going to give you a quick demo of, if I'm just going to plug this in now to there, so that's going to give it a direct supply. So that's basically coming off a cheap XL5 ESC, which is going straight and powered up into a 3S battery. So I've got 11.1 volts going in there, maybe a little bit more because the battery's fully charged. This has actually been preset at 7.4 volts, but like I say, if you said, oh, I want one at 6 or 6.2 or whatever the voltage is, then not a problem. So LED light bars, you know, when you look at these on eBay and Amazon and various different shops, they all look the same, but believe me, they are slightly different. The electronics and the actual LEDs, the SMDs that are on there, slightly different, and you can probably see maybe on the video as well, there's slight variations. So I don't sell cheap light bars that last for, I don't know, 1 minute. I'm not even going to get into that, but as you can probably see, I do light bars, various different lengths, widths, in obviously the bright white, got a couple of red ones in the background and a whole variation of the lighting. So without trying to diverse, okay, so we're going to get this one here, and just let me find the lead. Okay, so all I'm going to do with this now is I'm just going to plug this light in. I'm just going to turn these off as well, so hopefully it doesn't cause a problem on the video. I'm just going to plug this now directly into the receiver. Now this receiver is only going to give out 5 volts. Okay, so 5 volts, the light comes on, it's bright, it's on your truck at night time, you know, it's going to be a lot better than just a couple of LEDs or some pods that are on top. So I'm just now going to unplug that from the receiver. Oh, I can't see what I'm doing. I'm going to plug this now into our BEC. Wow, okay. I'm hoping that on the video you can see the difference. Now these don't have to be used just with lighting. I'm going to unplug that actually because I've got orange stars in my eyes. So it can be used to power pretty much anything, yeah, as long as it doesn't exceed 5 amps. So like I say, you know, if you want one that aren't too expensive, these are fine. I don't sell these personally. You can get these on eBay for relatively cheap, and there is a lot of options out there for it. These ones, you know, it's going to depend on exactly what you want, but a ballpark price for these with a 2-year warranty is £12 delivered to your door, and I can pretty much justify you know, whatever cable length you want on there. Price might vary if you've got a different plug, say if you want an XT60 on or an XT90 or something, but yeah, no problem. So me babbling on. Okay, that's the end of the video for today. I hope you've enjoyed it. If you've got any questions electrical wise, feel free to drop me a message. You can contact me direct through Facebook on Messenger at Steve's RC Shop, or RC Winches. My email address is down below. Welcome to give me an email. Just contact me. But you know, anything to do with electronics and lighting and remote systems, stuff like that, feel free. So primarily the video today is for the waterproof BEC, 5 amp, any voltage you want on it, 2-year warranty, and that's it guys. So yeah, have a great day and thanks for your time. Cheers.